for an FM transmitter for your car so you can play your new iPhone music through your car radio? Well, hi, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show you how to pick the right FM transmitter for your iPhone so you can play music from your iPhone through your car radio. FM transmitter like these from eBay or Amazon, they will not work. The reason being is that these share the power source as a car radio. When you plug this into the cigarette lighter, you'll hear the humming or static noise as you accelerate or decelerate. You'll hear shee or static from your car radio. These Bluetooth FM transmitter will not work for your iPhone. The best FM transmitter to get for your car, for your iPhone, it's actually this one, the Gizmo Guy Gadget. Gizmo Guy Gadget does not take power, does not require battery, and it does not require you to plug into the charger, the cigarette charger, as this Bluetooth FM transmitter. All you do is plug in. The device is actually powered by the iPhone. So all you have to do is plug in this device into the iPhone, and you'll see the light comes on. Okay, that means that the transmitter has been activated and it's being powered by the iPhone. So, and you can plug it and then it goes off. There's no battery required for this FM transmitter. So all you do is plug it in when you want to use it. Plug it in and you see the light comes on, and all you have to do is set the car radio to 87.9.
My name is Patrick. What happens when you find a nice car on eBay, something that's within your cost range, but it's an older car, you love the way it looks, but you know you can't play your cell phone on it? Here's what you do. I found this product by Gizmo Guy, CD quality sound from your cell phone to your world-class audio system on the cool car you bought. Let's see how it works. Yeah, so it's really simple. It comes, when you order this product, it came with this little dongle. It also came with an attachment. You plug it into your phone. This is an iPhone, and you just start playing your music. Open your music. I should say one thing. There's stations on the back here that you preset on your radio. These are what it plays through. It actually was charging my phone as it's playing music, so definitely recommend the Gizmo Guy.
So get yours now by clicking down below. I promise you this will be the best gadget that you get this year, or your money back. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy.